Let's learn how to use the shooting mode on the Pulse VE. First, switch to shooting mode.
Shooting mode.
We need to charge the Pulse VE by holding down the trigger.
Hyper burst. Annihilator.
Different charging durations unlock different bullet effects. Once fully charged, we can fire until the energy is depleted. We offer over 10 different bullet effects.
Stun bullet.
And you can unlock hidden bullets by completing missions. We can experience the difference between single shots and rapid fire.
Stun bullet. Lumen bolt.
If there is no operation for 10 seconds, the energy will automatically dissipate, and the device will enter standby mode.